Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your device and Google account so the passkey process works smoothly. Sign into your Google account, then open the Security or Password section to find passkeys. Make sure your phone or computer has an active screen lock and biometric or PIN set. This is what secures the passkey. Tap Create or Add Passkey in Google's interface and follow the on-screen device prompt to initiate key creation. You're authorizing a strong, device-bound credential rather than a password. Once you trigger passkey creation, your device will prompt for biometric or PIN confirmation. That step both creates and protects the private key on your hardware. You should give the passkey a clear name so you can identify it later when multiple devices exist. Make sure Google Sync is enabled in your account settings so the passkey securely syncs to your other signed-in devices. This makes signing in seamless across phone, tablet, and computer without copying passwords manually. To finish, choose the passkey option when signing into a supported site and confirm with your device's biometric or PIN. The site receives a cryptographic assertion, not a password. Verify the credential by testing a login on another synced device. If something goes wrong, first update your OS and browser, confirm Google Sync and device locks are enabled, and then reattempt creating the passkey. As a safety net, keep a secondary recovery method like two-factor authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.